Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Salam to you, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope, inshallah, wherever you are in this world, all is well. قال الله تعالى في كتابه وقرن في بيوتكن ولا تبرجن تبرج الجاهلية الأولى وأقمنا الصلاة وآتينا الزكاة وأطعنا الله ورسوله إنما يريد الله ليذهب عنكم الرجس أهل البيت ويطهركم تطهيرا. It means stay in your houses and do not flaunt your finery like the former days of pagan ignorance. Maintain the prayer and pay zakat and obey Allah and His apostles. Indeed, Allah desires to repel all impurity from you, O people of the household, and purify you with a thorough purification. By examining the verses of the Quran, we find that there are two axes for the implementation of guardianship in society. The axis of Ahl-e-Bait and their holy light, and in front of it, the axis of tyranny and darkness. And each of these two axes have supporters. It's all clear. The helpers of Taghut and evil want to lead people from the light to the darkness and re-establish the Jahili society with their acts of guardianship. And the divine helpers want to lead the people from darkness of ignorance to the light in this and next world. You know, in the discussed verse, God says that there is only one family that is far from any filth, and that is the Prophet's family. Those who never played in Satan's plan. In order to introduce this important access to people, the Prophet used every opportunity to say that God's guardianship over the people happens through Ahl-e-Bait alayhimus salatu wassalam. The guardian and the helper of Allah are like the map of a carpet, and the members of the society are like its threads. When the people of the society are tied together according to the ruling of Wali of Allah, they will not be separated easily and will move towards their specific goal. Supreme leader of the Islamic revolution in the book An Outline of Islamic Thought says, wilaya in a human being means intellectual and practical dependence more and more with the wali. Find the wali, know the wali of God, the one who is the rightful guardian of the Islamic community. Identify him, then commit yourself to him. In terms of thought, in terms of actions, in terms of emotions, in terms of ways and customs, follow him and move along with him. If your effort is his effort, your jihad is his jihad, your friendship is his friendship, your enmity is his enmity, your front or his front, you have the wilaya. Let's do it. All the best to you.